Hello, everybody. Welcome to Talking Fitchburg on this Monday, March 14th, 2022. Jeremy Crosby here. Another week, another warm week. Okay, so not another, but we're continuing the stretch of warm weather that started yesterday. It was a cold weekend, and then yesterday came and it was like, whew, it's still a little bit of a chill in the air, but now we're working into some warmer temperatures as the week goes on. And we have a busy week on Talking Fitchburg and a busy day, too, here. We'll get you the latest headlines just a minute in case you missed our canine story that aired on Friday. And a lot of you watched over the weekend. We want to make sure to highlight our canine unit. We'll take a look at that as they've been working hard out there, and we want you to see what they've been working on. That's Parker and Durego. They'll be here coming up. Plus, we're going to be talking about digital spring cleaning. 'Tis the season. Okay, I said I wouldn't say that for an employee. Chad, you know who it is, but I said it anyways. It is cleaning season as we spring forward. I did it just for him. Yeah, it is time for cleaning, and we'll talk about that digital spring clean. Always important thing to do if you haven't done it. So we'll get talking on that. And it is Pie Day. I marked it in the notes. I missed Mario Day last week. Andrew's like, it's Mario Day, and I told him I'd talk about it in both shows. Right over my head. So it's Pie Day. Hope you enjoyed Pie Day. All right, let's jump into the headlines. Or jump into the headlines here. COVID-19 home test kits are available. While they last. Yes, if you are interested in those tests, courtesy of Promega Corporation, the city has COVID-19 home test kits available for distribution on a first-come, first-served basis. Kits are available during the normal business hours at City Hall and the Senior Center. They are expiring within the next couple of month and a half or something like that. So I'm sure if you coming out, you know that as well. But free kits that are available from our friends at Promega down the street. City of Fitchburg Agricultural and Rural Affairs Committee is hosting their annual listening session. It's going to be on location. It'll be at 4:00 p.m. on Tuesday, March 15th at Four Winds Farm, 5737 Adams Road here in Fitchburg. They'll be hearing feedback from residents and alike at this meeting. Also be a regular scheduled meeting, so they'll be talking some business as well. We'll be broadcasting this live on Fact TV, so you can tune in for that at 4:00 p.m. live, or come on out to the Four Winds Farm. It's beautiful. If you haven't been out there, it is a really cool place. So we'll be there at 4:00 this coming up tomorrow. It's gonna be awesome. Finally, Sunnyside Dog Park is temporarily closed. That is due to the wet conditions out there to preserve the turf and keep everyone safe and clean. During the thaw, the city is temporarily closing the park until we get some grass established to hold the turf together. Started yesterday on the 13th and will go for a couple of weeks as we see what happens with the weather. But he wants some grass, and I'm sure the four-legged friends will be happy with that. Plus, you don't want a muddy car, just saying. All right, we're going to take a quick break. Coming up next, we open up our digest. We'll be checking in with our K9 team, and a little bit later, talking about that digital spring cleaning on Monday's edition here of TF. Woo!